Just squeeze lemon on the potato and you'll never want to make it any other way. On a cutting board, I'll use 4 medium potatoes and cut them like this, making cuts on top until reaching the middle of each potato. Repeat this process with all of them. Now let's set these aside. Next, in a pot of water, we'll add a bit of salt. Then add all the potatoes and let them cook until they start to soften. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter. Give it a quick stir. Once the butter has completely melted, add the potatoes cut side down. Folks, remember all cookware like pans and pots, even graters, are from our pour in the kitchen store. So if you're interested, don't wait and get yours now. Next, we'll season with a little salt. Remember folks, to brown both sides of the potato. Add some oregano, black pepper and smoked paprika. Now, let's squeeze some lemon juice on top. Spread the seasoning lightly and give the potatoes a quick stir. Once they're golden, just remove them, plate and enjoy. These potatoes are incredible, quick, easy and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.